Morning. So today's exciting trip, I'm going to Donington Race Circuit, or I'm actually going to Donington Race Circuit next door in the airport.
At the roundabout, take the third exit.
This guy does me head in.
The third time's a charm.
Just, that does me head in. I changed the Waze voice to dad jokes, right, expecting to be telling me jokes and things. Unfortunately, what he actually does is keeps telling me the same joke over and over and over again. Highway to Hell, escort. Let's have a look at the, I'm in the Premier Inn at the airport, East Midlands Airport it is, and it's the usual sort of gubbins. I'll show you, just a minute. So as you can see, it's quite nice, it's alright, they're all really nice. They do have really good beds here in the Premier Inns, and they do tend to advertise the fact that they do very good beds. See? I'd buy one of these. I'm on the ground floor. This is my view for the next 4 days. Yeah, I know. That's what I've got. Not the best view in the world, is it? Obviously, but it's quite a nice room, isn't it? It's not bad at all. I've hung my clothes up because they've got in the suitcase they've got a squash look, and I don't have an iron, so I might have to ask for one. So this is quite quirky. So this is the bathroom, and we've seen one of these before, haven't we? But perhaps what we haven't seen before is this. When we turn off that button, turn on the other, you get that. I'm not quite sure why it's purple. Nothing special. The thing I have had to do here though, that I don't normally have to do, must be because it's busy. Oh, it's got aircon as well, which is up there, look. Television's just television, there's no Netflix or anything like that on it. It's nice. The one thing I have to do though is, the time currently is that time, 6 o'clock, okay? And I've had to book a table for dinner. There's just me. Okay, I've had to book a table for dinner because apparently they don't just let you. Oh, I'm a bit blurred. They don't just let you turn up. Okay, that's where I'm staying, in the Premier Inn, and Donington Airport is just there, East Midlands Airport, and we're off to go and watch. I'm going to drive past it now, but we're off to Donington Race Circuit because I've just rang them up and they've got some track day on tonight and tomorrow, and I think Thursday as well. But anyway, I rang them up and they said, yeah, you can come along and watch if you want. So that's where we're going. So that's it then. That's 3 days worth of track driving. Not me, I've been coming to watch it, but I've been to 3 track days, sorry, not track drives, track days. Tonight's was pretty good actually. There was quite a few unusual cars on. There's a Dallara down there. I tried to video, and when I looked on my camera, I was photographing it, not videoing it, so duh. It's the sun. It's absolutely roasting here. I've struggled to keep cool, if I'm quite honest. And I met this guy. This guy started talking to me, and he builds engines. He hurt his back, so we were talking over the other side of the circuit, and he come and sat next to me, and we were talking. And he builds engines, and he was telling me all about track days and things. And it's not as bad as I thought it would be. It makes me want to do one myself. A lot of Porsches here today. Very fast GT3 Porsches. Incredibly quick. There's a particular one that seems to be giving people rides in it. I've just seen him with a girl just getting in just a minute ago. That's probably the quickest car on there. There's what do you call it as well? There's do you know what? Oh, Lotus. Apparently it's got a VTEC engine in it, because the guy that was talking to me told me all about it. Got a VTEC engine in it, and that was quick. It sounded amazing as well. I'm on the way out to back to my hotel. Look at this. Didn't even know it existed. It's always great to come here. I love it.